Hey guys, so I'm just gonna make your own thumbnail in Filmmaker. So what you wanna do with these steps is go to Google or Safari. But go to Google, Safari. No, actually go to Google, not Safari. So you're gonna type in whatever background you want. So just put just gonna put grunge for now. Grunge is back now, if you guys don't know. Sorry for my Wi-Fi. So it's gonna load. It's probably gonna look like this. I don't know how you guys want it, but as you guys can see, it's right here. Just pick photo, like the one you like most. I'm gonna go for this one, so you guys are gonna screenshot this. If you don't know how to screenshot, basically hold the just press the power button and the home button at the same time, and it will come like that. And then after that, you guys wanna go to the picture, and then you guys are gonna click edit, and you're gonna click this here, this first one. Just see the rotating thing, that one, the first one. Click on that, and then we're just gonna square crop it a bit. And then after you're done that, just click done. It should look like that. And then next, you want to go to Filmmaker and start here. Photos. Photos. Okay. Doesn't matter. You don't have to do this. Just leave it. And then maintain. And then just pick one. Pick the background. It's gonna load. It's gonna look like that, whatever. And you guys are gonna click this T button right here for the text. Click that, and then double tap, and then put whatever you want. And then when you're done, you guys can add the font and the detail, or whatever you want it. I like Blue Valley or Amber. I'll go with Amber. Okay, this one's the thickest, probably thickest. So I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna check. And then you guys are gonna put the name. And then you're just gonna play it, and then oh crap. Just screenshot it, and then just pretty much what you want to do. Camera. This is the way I do it. Okay, it's not this one. Just go here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then square crop a bit of it. And then after that, go ahead and go back to YT Studio. But if you guys want to make the thumbnail, you have to verify your phone number first, and then you have to put the code, and then you have to put it in there. I already did mine, so I have free access. So you guys are going to go to the video, this one. And then you guys are going to click this pencil. Edit thumbnail. But remember, you guys, it's going to look like this after. And if you just started downloading YT Studio, you just go custom thumbnail. It's gonna show you to verify your phone. I don't know if they still have that, but yeah, just do whatever you have to do. All photos, and then click on it, select, and then save. So this is the only way I can make a thumbnail, guys. And if you guys enjoy this video, make a thumbs up, and yeah, see you in the next video. Peace out.